In this video, I will be showing you how to link the slides together to create a presentation where they can click on buttons and it'll take them to previous slides. You create your title page first. On this slide number 2, you're going to create the question. So really quick, let me format it. We're going to create the question here. Along with the options. This is where we're going to have the options for A, B, C, or whatever options you're going to use. This would be question 1. Okay, so that's question 1. And I'm also going to create another slide after question 1. This slide here is going to be for the wrong answer. So I create my text box. I format it real quick. And this is going to be the wrong answer. So this would be nice try. And then I'm going to create another slide. This is going to be my correct answer. So I create my text box. And I format my font. Now here I have my slides, slide 1, 2, 3, and 4. The question, I want it to, when I click on something down here, to take me to these slides over here. So let's go ahead and do the options. So for right now, I'm just going to be using A, B, and C. You can use pictures also if you download the clip art, and when they click on the clip art, it'll take them to where it's supposed to be also. But in this case, I'm just going to be using letters for right now. So I go ahead and I'm going to copy, paste, paste. So once it's centered, there we go. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and change them. Actually, I will change them to A, B, and C. And these are my answer choices, A, B, C. Let's say, for example, I want C to be the correct answer. So A and B are going to take me to slide number 3, and C is going to take me to slide number 4. Before we do that, let's go ahead and format the wrong answer and the right answer. So let's go ahead and format the wrong answer first. So once you're here, nice try, you need something to tell them to go back. That way it can take them to the question, because obviously it was the wrong answer. So what I did is ahead of time, I downloaded some clip art, and I'm going to insert image from the computer, and I have it in this folder. So here I would use, I use this for a different project. I'm gonna use the same back arrow. It's a little bit too big, so I'm gonna format it. I'm gonna make it smaller. Now here, this is where you're gonna be doing the linking so they can go back to slide number 2. So when you're here, you just highlight the picture. You go into insert link, and you want to link it to the slides in the presentation. So for this wrong answer, I want, when they click this picture, I want them to go to the previous slide. And I push apply. Now we can try it out. Okay, again, they got the wrong answer. Now they have to go back to question 1. There it is. We have to go back, and also we have to, now that we got this one formatted, it takes us back to this question here, to question 1. We have to do the same thing with B and A. So when they click on A, again, we're going to link it, slides in this presentation. And this time I'm going to put the slide number 3. Apply. B, the same thing. Excuse me. I'm going to link it. And I will be linking it to slide number 3 because it's the wrong answer. C, another thing when you're linking these, make sure the cursor, if you're having trouble with it or it's giving you problems, it's because the cursor's inside. It happens sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why, but if the cursor's here or over here, it might give you something different. So make sure when you click, try to click the whole box and then you link it to the box. So since C is going to be my correct answer, I'm going to link C to slide number 4. Now, if you notice, I can't go all the way down. You can't see it. That's okay. All you have to do is highlight this one right here. Just put the cursor over one of them and use your down arrow, and then you'll be able to see it. Slide number 4, there it is. I'm going to link it to slide 4 and apply. And now I want to test them out. So I'll go ahead and present. This is the wrong answer. Go back. Wrong answer. Go back. And then the correct answer. Great job. Now we have to create a link here to take us to the next question. So now we're here. Again, I'm going to insert an image from the folder I created earlier. So here I'm going to use thumbs up. And I'm going to be linking this picture to the next question. So I don't have the slide yet, so I'm going to have to create another slide. And in here is going to be the second question. Question 2. So once we have this slide, now we can go back and we'll be able to link this one. Slide presentation. We're going to link it to slide number 5. Apply. And let's test it out. Great job. Click it. Question number 2. So it takes them to the next question. And we're going to repeat the process down here, except you don't have to really create them since they're already here. All you have to do is just highlight it. And you're going to duplicate you right click, duplicate the slide. And you see it right here. You bring it underneath question number 2. You have it. This one is going to be formatted already. So let's say, for example, we go to presentation, go back, it takes you to question 2. Because when we put the this one right here, the previous slide, when we put the format and the link and the linking, we just put previous slide. That's why I didn't put a slide number, because if I was to put for the back arrow to take me to slide 3, then it would take me, to slide 2, it would have taken me back to slide 2. That's why I like to put the question and then the wrong answer, because I can just put previous slide, and as soon as I copy it, that's it. This slide is pretty much done. The one that I do have to change is going to be the correct answer, which is this one right here. So again, I'm going to duplicate the slide, and then I'm going to put it underneath the second nice try, which would be slide 7. Here I do have to format it, because remember, from here it's telling me to go to slide 5. So we have to change this to the next slide, because this is going to be the correct answer. So we want this to take us to slide number 8. So let's go ahead and create that slide. Blank. And it's just the same process. If you run into that problem where it's not it's taking you to the wrong question, then it's going to be because of the formatting. You have to tell it which slide you want it to go to. So let's say, for example, okay, now that it's ready, I can go back and I can change this formatting, edit, and I'm going to change it to slide number 8 because I wanted to take it to the next one. There it is, slide 8, apply. Let's test it. Great job. Question number 3. So again, once you set up these two right here, you can just right click, duplicate the slide, and then you're going to move it underneath the question. Very important, remember when you set this one up, the nice try, you format this, always format it to previous slide. That way you don't have to change anything. It'll make it easier. You just duplicate the slide, put it under the question, and it's the same formatting. The one you will have to change is going to be the correct answer. That one has to take you to the slide. And it'll tell you as soon as you click on it, it tells you which slide it's taking it to. So in case you're running that problem of that it takes you to the wrong slide, that's what it's going to be, this right here. Hopefully this will help. And like I said, it's pretty simple. It's just time consuming. So let me run through real quick. Question 1, A, no, that's the wrong answer. Wrong answer. Correct answer. Great job. It should take me to the next question. Question number 2. Again, you can put clip art in here and link the clip art to it, and that'll work also. So let's say, for example, upload from computer. Let's say, for example, I want that one to be my linking one, so I go ahead and I put it here, and the same process. If you want this one to be the right answer, then you would format it to go to the slide that it has to go to, which would be down here. So this would be like, instead of A, it would be just the part. So it's pretty simple the way it works. Hopefully this will help you guys, and thank you for watching.